In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Store not loading issue. If your Steam Store page is stuck on a blank screen, endlessly loading or just not updating, follow along. We'll walk through 3 quick fixes that are safe, simple, and often resolve the problem. Start by opening Steam and looking to the top left corner for the Steam menu. Click it. Go to Settings. Then open the Downloads section. Here, click Clear Cache. Depending on your app version, this may appear as Clear Download Cache. This removes temporary files that can get corrupted and interfere with the store's web content. Clearing the cache doesn't delete your games or save data, but it does force Steam to restart so it can rebuild fresh temporary files. Let Steam close and relaunch. After it comes back up, give the store page another try to see if it loads normally. If the store still isn't loading, close Steam completely. Make sure it's not running in the background if you see the Steam icon in your system tray. Right, click and exit there as well. Next, find your Steam shortcut. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Running Steam with elevated permissions can resolve issues where Windows is blocking certain web components or file operations that the store relies on. You might see a permission prompt from Windows. Continue to open Steam. Once it launches in Administrator mode, head to the Store tab again and check if the page now appears as expected. If you are still having trouble, try refreshing the store interface through Big Picture mode. In the top right corner of Steam, click the Big Picture mode icon to switch into the full screen interface. This mode reloads several UI and web elements behind the scenes. After it opens, exit Big Picture mode to return to the standard desktop view. That quick enter and exit cycle often forces a fresh draw of the store page and clears up stubborn loading glitches. That's it. Thanks for watching.